Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. I am Anjali Swami, your tarot reader and Reiki healer. Thank you for clicking on this video. I'll be sharing the weekly guidance, how the coming week will be for you. Also, in the end of the video, there is an affirmation for you. Before proceeding for the daily guidance, do not forget to click on the like, share and subscribe button. Also, please click on the bell icon so that you get notification whenever I'll be uploading videos. Thank you. So let's proceed for the daily guidance. Let's see how the coming week will look. The coming week will be lot of creativity. A wonderful week ahead. You will be getting lot of surprises, a good moment. There will be unexpected surprises for you. Too many changes will be there, but by the end of this week you will be content, you will be happy as there is a new beginning, might be into your career or into your business. Let's see day by day. For Monday, the card shows the Hangman. The Hangman depicts that there will be a new thing tomorrow coming up. You may be creative, you may try to invent something new. Expect some unexpected surprises. As they say, what you got here won't get you there. That's what indeed the card says. So the Hangman calls you to release the old mental and behavioral patterns that no longer serve you good and try to see the world from a new perspective and embrace new opportunities that would have otherwise been hidden. For Tuesday, the card says that you're still the master of your job, but you are lacking appreciation and the people around you. There is lot of disturbance in your team members. The individuals will try to provoke themselves and gain superiority over others. Don't get bothered. Acknowledge the unique contribution each person makes, no matter his or her experience or knowledge. The Three of Pentacles also points out that you are working at relatively a mundane job, which your contributions and experience go unappreciated and undervalued. To try to set guidelines and boundaries for yourself and others. For Wednesday, the card shows Three of Wands. Three of Wands, the man standing there steadily, like you, expecting for the results, the hard work you have done in the past. The card shows that the plans are now well underway and you are considering even more opportunities to expand your current strategy and maximize your ultimate potential. Everything is progressing steadily and as expected thanks to your solid preparation and ongoing drive. For Thursday, the card shows Six of Wands reversed. Six of Wands says that the results you are waiting for have got delayed. Maybe you have achieved your personal milestone and you are getting lot of appreciation. Still, you will be uncomfortable in receiving public praise for your work. It may be a private achievement wherein you may feel that you don't want to share it with others publicly. Rather, I would suggest check in with yourself. Though, why are you avoiding in sharing this? Are you lacking of confidence or feeling nervous or you being too over the top? For Friday, the card says reverse of Four of Swords. The Four of Swords gives the message that right now you need to come out of the situation. You have been overworked all over the week. Now it's time to bring out the energy and celebrate whatever you have achieved throughout the week. Give some time for yourself to heal and enjoy this day. If you do not stop and take some much needed rest now, you may crash and burn out completely. So take time for rest. For Saturday, the card says Two of Swords. You may be a lot of confused that too many things happened being creative throughout the week and got appreciated which you didn't expect, but I know you will be balancing your thoughts and decisions. You may feel right now you are unable to see the solution, but the solution will be there for sure. Take some time for yourself and give a break and enjoy the weekend. Lastly, for the end of the week, for Sunday, the card says Death card reversed one. The reverse death card, it's a great card, it's a new beginning. Try to see the opportunities and embrace the change rather than resist. See the wonderful possibilities become available to you as you say yes to change and learn to release the past and surrender to the present. The future becomes even more brighter. Support the process and say the affirmation I embrace change in all forms. I embrace change in all forms. I'm sure you'll be surprised how this subtle change has been done. All new doors have opened for you, which you have never expected. So enjoy the change and open your arms for the new opportunities waiting for you. I'm sure you have liked the video and you got connected by the daily guidance cards. Also, please do like, share and subscribe and share it with your family, friends and relatives so everyone gets the maximum benefit. Also, follow me on Insta. The link to the Insta account is given in the description box. Over Insta, I share positive thoughts, affirmations, switch words and healing codes. Thank you.